Hey, Jellica here from aprettyfix.com, and today I'm popping in to show you how easy it is to make basic tassels. Tassels are a great way to jazz up your home decor and crafts, including things like pillows, baskets, and this DIY wood bead garland. Stick around as I show you just how easy they are to make. You will need the following materials: cotton yarn, any kind will do, a blunt, large eye needle, this one is about 3 inches in length, and of course a pair of scissors. To start, begin wrapping the yarn around the width of your hand. This will create a tassel that's about 2 inches in length. If you wish your tassel to be longer, simply swap out your hand for a piece of cardboard or a book or anything sturdy. Wrap around as much as you need to make your yarn as thick as you'd like it. The more you wrap, the thicker it'll be. When you're done, just snip off the yarn and then set your bundle aside. Now snip off another length of yarn, about 6 or 7 inches in length. Now slip it through the top of the bundle that you've just created, and at this point you're going to tie a knot around it, and this one's going to be a double knot just to make it more secure. Now simply let the 2 strands fall to the bottom and cut the bundle along the bottom. Now simply fold the bundle over, making sure that the knot is actually under, so it's kind of hidden. Now I get a little fussy at this point. I like to comb out the tassel, so go ahead if you're one that likes to fuss around a bit. So get out a comb or a small fork and just comb it out a bit. I like mine to be neat and tidy, but you can skip this step if you prefer yours to have a bit of a messier look. Now you'll be securing the head of your tassel. Taking the same yarn, fold it over around the same length of the tassel, but set it aside just for a moment for this next step. You're going to get a pen, or in this case a water-soluble marker. This one's one that I often use for my crafts, and you'll mark the end piece of that folded over yarn. This is going to come handy for you in a second. Now place the folded yarn next to the tassel bundle, and you want to leave a loop at the top. Now begin wrapping the yarn around the bundle. This is what's going to secure it and create a head at the top. Now I like to compare it to the first tassel that I made, just to make sure that the head's going to be around the same size. Carefully wrap around until you're satisfied with the width of the bundle that you're wrapping. And here I'm checking it again against the first tassel just to make sure that they match up. Next, you'll snip off the yarn, and then you'll feed that yarn through the loop at the top. Now find the tail you marked with your pen and begin pulling that yarn. And as you do, the loop will pull through, as will the top end. And taking the tail that you marked with your pen, thread your needle, and then feed that portion under the bundled part. Then just snip it off. And, well, you can start combing again just as I did. Again, I like things neat and tidy. Now match it up with your first tassel and snip off those ends. And now you've got yourself a couple of sweet little tassels that you can use for any of your craft projects, just like this DIY wood bead garland. To see how to make this garland, I'll leave a link in the description box. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. You can check out more like this one on my blog at prettyfix.com. And until next time, bye for now.